The following message is transmitted at the request of the Outagamie County Sheriff's Office. At the request of the Outagamie County Sheriff's Office, community members near the mall area are advised to evacuate their homes immediately. Take only essential items you have with you. Turn off all heat sources before you leave and lock your windows and doors as you leave. Pets must be in a carrier or on a leash. Stay off the phone unless you need to report a life-threatening emergency at your location. However, if you are physically unable to leave your home unassisted, call 911 for assistance. A temporary shelter area has been established by American Red Cross at Crosspoint Church, located at 1866 North Casaloma Drive. This is not a drill. More information will be provided as if it becomes available.